Now see the difference? Very tight. So, like I said, put it down, find it where it snaps down completely. Okay, you want to put the film in this side, not the outside over here. Oops, sorry. All right, let's just get that back down in there. But in here, and then you feed it, just feed it gently in, and then let's see if I can.
You gotta start the camera too. Right?
Yeah. So,
Shouldn't you add an empty spool to connect the other film first?
not necessarily. We just want it to grab, Jake. So you slide it in that little spot right here, okay? And then, no, it's not gonna. Did I turn it off? It's all kind of trial and error. Yeah, it's off. Okay. So feeding it in there. Okay, it's in. Well, not quite. There we go. That's what you want.
And then you feed it through the empty spool.
Now, once I've got enough slack, I can feed it through the empty spool. Where is the empty spool? Okay, so the empty spool is here, but you need to find that little slot. Get it in there. Okay, you can see that the film actually goes this way. So, like that. Okay? Now, we probably close it up, right? Guys, we would close this up so that we're not exposing any more film. Let's put this down this way first. Okay, closed. Now, okay, sounds good, right?
Right.
If you heard a bunch of, then you probably know that it's not working. Okay. Now, I think I can do this without. Let's just leave the film in for a second. Once again, you press this button so that it releases. Pull that off. You can see that it's fine. But if you took the film off at the cap off at this point, then you're exposing more film. So you probably don't want to do that. But the problem is that these old cameras, things can go wrong. Sometimes the film gets jammed. Okay?
Okay.
This is what happens when the film is jammed. You have to break the film off the spool. Oh, by the way, it's already through this reel because it's such a short bit of film, so we might as well just. Okay.